Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter, sources of energy. See, students, for doing anything, for walking, running, talking, playing, for everything we need energy. Energy we are getting from different sources. Like from food we are getting energy. That is our internal energy. Right? But energy, all the world or earth, all the living things, they are getting energy from the sun. Sun is the main source of energy. Perhaps that we need what electricity also. Okay, from 24 hours we need electricity. Without electricity we cannot survive. And nowadays for everything we need electricity. So electrical energy is also the main source of energy, because we need all time what? Electrical energy. So in this chapter we are going to see from where or how many sources are there from where we get the electrical energy. The first is what? See, hydroelectrical energy. Hydro means water. That energy, electrical energy, electricity that we are getting from the water is known as hydroelectrical energy. Okay, see one simple activity. In this activity you need one empty matchbox, 4 spoon and 1 empty refill. Okay, so make the matchbox like a turbine, like a fan. Cut the horizontal side of the matchbox, 4 sides. Insert the spoon and at the center insert the empty refill. Okay, so it will look like a fan. Then after this, when you open the tap water, when the tap water fall on the spoon, then you will see that the spoons or matchbox is what? Spinning like a turbine. You know? So this will look like a turbine. For example, simple see, you have seen the cooler fan, how the cooler fan is moving or rotating. Similarly, this also rotate when the tap water fall on each spoon. The same way turbine moves. Okay, and this turbine is used for generating what? Electricity through water. So in dam water, river water is collected. Okay, river water is collected or accumulated, and is arranged in the way that when the river water falls, so there at the mouth of that turbine, heavy turbine is placed. So when the water falls on turbine moves very fast, and very fast. When turbine is moving very fastly, then electricity produces, and that electricity we use at our home or factories or everywhere we use that electricity. Okay, see the figure here. In dam water is collected, then the water flows, and when the water is flowing, there one turbine is placed, and the fan of turbines are moving so fast. One generator is there. Generator is to move the turbine. Okay, generator is placed to move the turbine. When the turbine is rotating or moving very fast, then it produces electricity, and that electricity we use at our home. I will put one simple activity here, just you see, and you will understand better how the turbine is moving. Okay. how the electricity produces in dam.
Production of electricity from water energy. Electricity is generated by using the kinetic energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Thus, the electric power that is generated is called hydroelectric power.
Electricity is generated from flowing water at hydroelectric power plant. A high dam is constructed on one side of the reservoir to hold back the water. The generator house is at the base of the dam on its other side. Water flows down through pipes from near the top of the dam to generator house below. It strikes the blades of a water turbine with tremendous speed, making it rotate. The turbine rotates the shaft of a generator to which it is connected. This makes the generator produce electricity. In this way, the kinetic energy of flowing water is used to rotate the turbine, and the rotational kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy.
It is not necessary to set up large dams for hydroelectric plants. Small hydroelectric plants can be set up to generate electricity from a few hundred kilowatts to thousands of megawatts.
Such plants can use water diverted from a waterfall or from a dam built for irrigation. Advantages of hydroelectricity.
The source of energy, that is water, is free and renewable. Production of the energy from flowing water is pollution-free process with no smoke, chemicals, etc. are being produced.
The cost of electricity generation is low as compared to electricity generated from other types of power plants.
Dams built for hydroelectric power plants also helps in flood control and irrigation.
In Chhattisgarh, hydroelectricity is produced in Hasde, Bango and Gangrel Dam.